Hey guys, I'm back. Jesse with JTS Woodworking. If you remember my previous video about the side table I was redoing with the epoxy inlay, there was some components that I had to sand down. I had to sand all the finish off of it. I had to sand all the stain off of it. And since I know you guys love sanding videos, you love it when people sand and sand and sand and you can watch them sand for hours on hours. I mean, what else is there? So let's do it. All right, guys, you ready to go? You excited? Let's get sanding. Oh, man. Well, I guess we could skip that step. All right, guys, so you kind of saw me put a coat of finish on it. I actually put 3 coats of wipe on poly on the base and the sides and sanded in between each coat. And then the top, I taped off the edges because I didn't want to get it on the round over, but I put 3 coats of plain polyurethane. You can see there. Okay, gives it a nice sheen. 3 coats of regular polyurethane, sanding in between each coat, and I wanted to build up enough polyurethane so that I can sand it down to a really fine grit and then buff it super smooth and glossy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start sanding from 320 all the way up to 3000, just hand sanding lightly, and then we're going to buff it out with a 3-part polishing compound, and we'll see what it looks like. Alright guys, so here's what we're working with. This is kind of what I had. I realized I had to order some more sandpaper. I have to use a used piece of 800 grit. So we're going to start sanding with this 320 grit, move up to 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1200, 1500, 2000, and then 3000. Why so many grits? Well, the more grits you have working up to a high grit like that, the better. You want to remove all the scratch marks between each grit, and if you jump too high too fast, it's going to be a lot more difficult. So I'm just going to be going through all these grits, and I'll show you the process. I'll speed it up for you because I know sanding is not everybody's favorite thing to watch. Also too, I ordered sandpaper from Amazon, and I got these round discs from 40 grit to 1000 grit because I have a lot of 1000 to 3000, but I need some of these middle grits, and it was 15 bucks, and I got I believe it was 110 pieces. They're probably not the best quality, but it's 110 pieces for 15 bucks. I'll leave that link in the description below. All right guys, so we sanded it down to 3000 grit. It's very smooth, but it's a little fuzzy. So we want to take our 3-part polishing compound and work through that to get it that nice glossy finish. The first one will be more of a rough finish, second one will get rid of the real fine scratches, and the third one is just a sealer coat. So I'll show you what that looks like. All right guys, it is done. I buffed it out. The top is nice and shiny and smooth. And tomorrow I will be delivering it to my brother and sister-in-laws. So it turned out really good. I'm very happy with it. Again, I did not build this whole thing. I just redid it. And everything on the top, all the inlays, epoxy, river rock, that was all my design, and it was a very good learning experience, and it's very satisfying to see it finished. So I'm going to bring it over there tomorrow and hopefully get a good reaction.
I love the beat, man. I love the beat.
Oh.
Jimmy,
All right, guys, so that's the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. My sister and brother-in-law really enjoyed their refinished side table, so much so that they actually gave me some more projects to do for them, so I'm excited about that. Anyways, if you liked the video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.